Double glass sealing robot. The entire sealing robot line is equipped with Yaskawa servo motors, and the sealing robot has been upgraded from 6 servo motors to 8 motors. Compared with traditional controllers, Yaskawa motion controllers have faster response speed and stronger stability. The glass conveyor belt adopts a changeable V-shaped conveyor belt, which is removable and has low replacement cost. The V-shaped block is non-adhesive, ensuring perfect gluing effect. Triple glass sealing robot. Our insulating glass sealing robot supports 3 glass 2-cavity and 4 glass 3-cavity glass sealing, equipped with a one-touch switch button, and supports the storage of multiple glass shapes and parameters. The sealing effect is full without air lines, the corners are full, and it is formed in one go without repair. Automatically, discharge and glue at a fixed time, which will avoid the solidification and blockage of mixed glue caused by long intervals between glass gluing. For side-stepped glass sealing. Stepped glass refers to insulating glass in which the outer glass is larger than the inner glass, and there are overhangs on 4 sides or part of the sides. In addition to the core functions of conventional insulating glass, such as heat preservation, sound insulation, and wind pressure resistance, the stepped insulating glass has other functions, such as sunshade, waterproof leakage, decorative shape. At the same time, stepped glass will also have problems such as sealant leakage and uneven glue application when sealing. Our newly launched insulating glass sealing robot adopts the most advanced sealing technology to ensure uniform glue application, good sealing, and no glue leakage. Triangle glass sealing. Our newly developed customized sealing robot can produce a variety of special shaped glass such as semicircular, triangular, polygonal, with up to 20 preset glass sizes, which can be switched freely according to the shape of the glass. Special shaped glass sealing. Each of our sealing robots has 2 independent glue supply systems, which can be switched with one button. Automatic detection of glass and aluminum spacer depth, automatic glue discharge, automatic edge trimming and corner trimming. Unique manual pressure relief valve to release black glue pressure, protect the sealing ring, and extend service life. Self-developed memory program, which can switch different glass parameters with one click.